snatching apples, be lonely. Feed the fam, that's what they call me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, so weird, haven't done this in a minute, but if you are watching this, obviously by the title of the video, we are tie-dyeing some shirts today, girl. Yes. Okay, so first you are going to soak your shirts in a gallon of water with soda ash for like 20-30 minutes. I did it for 20, and then do not rinse them, just wring them out. Do not rinse them. The soda ash is going to cause the dye to be more vibrant and bright for your tie-dyes. Okay, so once you wring out the soda ash, you are going to lay it on a flat surface, front facing down, and you're going to start rolling it from the back with the back up, obviously. Just like this. You can use a fork or your fingers. I prefer the fork. It makes for a tighter swirl. And this is how you start it. Or you can use your two fingers, pinch the middle, and then twist. But like I said, I prefer the fork. But I'm not going to do this shirt that way. I ended up doing it the Scrunch Method. So you just start scrunching it as tightly as you can into like, not a ball, but a scrunch, obvious. As tight as you can. And then you're going to work the rubber bands all around it. So you're just going to try and like scrunch everything as you go as well. Keep it all nice and tight. The tighter, the better. I can't believe I just said that. You get what I mean. So just like that. And then Aiden's, oh, by the way, I was super stoned when I was fucking doing this, so I'm sorry about the camera. Anyways, I did Aiden's with a fork. And all you do is you just continue to twist and you fix the like folds around it, and you like tuck in the pieces so it has that nice like swirl. And then you do the same thing with the rubber bands. You just put the rubber bands all around it until it's super tight and none of the like little sides are coming out. Like they're all tucked in basically into like the rubber bands. So it's just round. I haven't done tie-dye in forever, and I forgot how super easy it is, but at the same time complex. So Jake's, I did the folding method, and all you do is you fold back and forth the whole t-shirt. Until you get to the other side. So you can do it horizontal, or you can do it vertical. I will do another shirt to show you guys in another video. I think I'm gonna start doing these on my TikTok. So if you're not following me, you should be following me if you have a TikTok. And then you're gonna start by tying the ends first. So you tied one end and the other end, and then you're gonna start tying it all around the shirt. It should be like it should look like a long piece. So I know how to do these three designs or techniques, and then I know how to do a heart, and I forgot what the other one is called. So for Liam's shirt, the scrunch shirt, I'm just pouring the red all over it, saturating it as much as you can, and make sure you get in between like the little rubber bands and the little holes, like just so it saturates really well. So I did his with red and black. And then Aiden's, I decided not to do just a regular swirl. I decided to do what they call, I guess, a spider swirl. And I'll show you guys right now how that ended up, or how you do that. So you just have to make sure the shirts are really saturated in the dye. So Aiden's, I decided to do a spider swirl. So on the back side, you when you want a spider swirl, on the back side you put the 2 different colored dyes. So I used navy blue and baby blue for his, in like triangle shapes. And then on the other, so you have to make sure you get in between all those like little folds and stuff, so it really gets it good. And then on the other side you just put all black, and then when I reveal the shirt tomorrow, I'll show you guys how it turns out. It kind of gives it like that spider web effect. And then Jake's, I just used the red, the navy blue, and the navy blue, the baby blue, and the black, and then the red again in the middle, and it's gonna kind of give it like the striped effect. And then you just do the same thing on the other side. You have to make sure the shirts are saturated well. Shirts, sweatshirts, sweatpants. I actually did my pajama sweatpants because I just wanted to see how they came out. So yeah, that I'll reveal that tomorrow as well. I think I'm gonna do it on my TikTok or my IG. I'm not too sure. Just a quick little video. But yeah, see, here's the sweatpants. And then I did end up using the rest of the dyes that I had, and I did the Scrunch Method with these as well. But like I said, I ended up using all the dye. I forgot that I bought an extra blue, and it's not in this video, but I actually add more blue into it. But I didn't record it, so yeah. But yeah, that's basically it. It's super easy. It's fun. I think it's a great project while we're in quarantine to do with your kids. If my kids weren't busy, they would have done it with me, but they were just like, no, not right now. Anyways, bye.